Assalamu alaikum. Look, okay, I'll change the plan as how you wanted it. Okay, so basically the toilet is now bigger, right? The toilet is actually like almost this 3.62 point. You need 1 feet gap for the door. So 1 plus 3 plus 6 plus 6.5 feet at least. Okay, that's 6.5 feet. And this is a small. This is going to be a big window for the balcony. So there's sunlight coming through to this area of the living room. Yeah. Um, yeah, the thing is, I'm not sure whether this hole from here to here, from this wall to this wall, is actually enough for this measurement. So you need to take that and give me. And then, this is another 6 by, like 8 feet, almost 8 feet length and 6 feet breadth. So you need to check on that also and let me know if this particular wall is adjacent to this wall, which is the opposite wall to this window. Okay, and then this wall comes to the door, right? This wall is going to be broken off now. Okay, and basically, and then we're going to shift. This is a walking veranda for the between the kitchen, the dining, and then the living room, which is big now, right? So this small balcony will be like open balcony. This wall for this bit here will be all broken out, so there'll be enough light coming through. So consider these things while you are doing it. Okay, so basically, once we put a toilet here, in the diagram it always looks big, yeah. But in reality, it's not exactly as how big it would be, right? So what you need to do, what you need to tell me is the what do you call it? Once you get off here, once you give me this measurement and this measurement, then I would know whether this measurement is coming in line with what you're going to give me. So let me know, okay? Thanks.